Dear interns, welcome to the translation database. I am Karthik Mohan, here to provide you in-glance and tips about this particular database. You all might be aware of this database as you already inducted the same in the induction session. So I'll just give you in-glance. So column A to D is a column where it is automated and you will be working in columns E and F respectively. So you have to convert the content in English, which is in column D, to content into a specified language. You have to translate it into the content in specified language in column E. So please ensure that you read the column C, that is clarification, rules and remarks, for the easier and feasibility. We'll mention for example, the common thing is you'll have to search for tags related to the post if possible, and you'll have to share your Instagram ID so that we can give you credits. So something like that. And you can see the task number and assign to. In assign to, you'll find your name, whichever is assigned to you. And in the task number, you'll find the task numbers for the respective ones. So this is the in-glance about this. So now, whenever you convert a content from English into your specified language, please ensure that you mark the status as completed if you feel it is completed. And if you'd like to mention something about it, please mention it. And if you feel there is some doubt, I have a doubt in the content in English, or you have any other doubt, just try to mention it in the status remarks. And it would be highly appreciated if you can do one more thing. That is, can you see a dialog box sort thing here, which is insert comment. So if you click the insert comment, and you can see a reporting manager on top, it's mentioned reporting manager Mayank Mridul. Just copy paste his email ID. You'll have to copy paste his email ID, and then you'll have to just comment down here like @ his email ID. So that assigned to Mayank Mridul. That he will receive a mail stating that someone mentioned you in a comment and there's a doubt, so that he can come instantly here and he'll see it out. So that what is the doubt in. So he'll see the doubt and he'll be assisting you immediately. So this is how it works. And just be ensure that you check the heads then also. For example, after you mark the status as completed, one of our representative will come and review this. So after his reviewing, he'll add a status. For example, it is approved, it's well and good, you're moving the right track. For example, there are some changes needed because everyone makes errors and there might be some changes required. So he'll mention what all are the changes required. So make sure whenever you come in the beginning of the day, just make sure you just check it roughly also, so that you will have a clear-cut understanding as well. So this is the generic database which we have created for now. If you have any inputs to improvise it, you're always welcome to have the inputs or feedbacks or queries, whatever it is. And you can see the keys here, like the key, which color denotes what. So we have the specified keys also. Now you all might be wondering, here all tasks assigned to everyone is there. Do I have anything specific where I can see whatever is assigned to me? Can I check that? Yes, we have got it covered, and that option is also available. For example, whoever is added to our database, we create a filter for them where if they with their name. So if they click their name, they will see whatever is assigned to them. So for example, you can see whatever is assigned to the specific name, you can see there with the task number. And I told you, right, you please check the heads then also. So this particular way, you can check whatever is mistake in your end or whatever are the changes needed from here in the heads then. So that will be more easier and feasible. So whichever is feasible and easier, you can work it out. So this is one pro tip. Whatever is assigned to you, you can check it out. And for checking the remarks by head, this is the easier way to do. But if you feel that is easier, you can do that. So whatever is assigned to you for the day or whatever is assigned to you from day one, you can check it out. So we can have a track and we can award you accordingly. So this is the system which we have created for now. And all the best, rock on. If you have any doubts, please feel free to reach out. And Mayank Mridul will be your reporting manager and he'll be coordinating with you from now on. Thank you.